be that his head wasn't screwed on just right. Or it could be, perhaps, that his shoes were too tight. But I think that the most likely reason of all may have been that his heart was 2 sizes too small.
Hey, stranger, won't let you go till you buy a chapeau.
The streets are filled with Christmas cheer.
Boy, nothing beats Christmas, right?
I guess.
You guess.
Well, it's just I look around at you and Mom and everyone getting all kabobbled. Doesn't it seem superfluous?
What happened to you?
It was the Grinch!
What do you want? I mean,
Grinch! Oh no!
Did someone just say Grinch?
hello, Mayor Mayhew, sir.
Look.
I don't need to remind you that this Christmas marks the 1,000th jubilation.
Whoville's most important celebration.
And the book of Who says very clearly, every size of Who we can measure knows that jubilation is a time we must treasure. Now, Lou, please tell me that your boys were not up on Mount Crumpet provoking the